2.
Hey everybody, it's your boy AK, and I know it's been a while since we did an abandoned video. Last one was TGI Fridays, which we posted on Easter Day. And if you guys missed those videos, well, they're back.
Yeah, it's been a crazy summer, a lot going on. Many good times had, many vacations.
Yeah.
But we got a very special, only for the second time ever on the history of the Adventure King abandoned series.
This is the first actual theater we are doing abandoned on, because that last time, which was about like 2 years ago, I think, that turned into some stupid trash place.
Yeah, so you're talking about Cinema 10 in Hamilton. That was the original.
Yeah.
So we just got reports that just a few miles down the road, it's raining. You can see dark clouds ahead. So if we seem a little rushed, we're just trying to do what we can with Mother Nature here. But real quick, I think the first thing we need to point out, AK, we both love the movie theaters. We've never been to this particular one. Now, this was kind of a fancy theater, is my understanding. It was a bar and grill. It was one of those dine-in theaters where you can sit at your table, you can sit at your seat, watch your movie.
I see. It is like very fancy.
Yeah, so you can watch your movie, and they'll bring your chicken tenders or your eggplant parmesan or whatever, your nachos.
I'm hungry now.
Your chili dog, your fish sandwich, your pretzels and beer cheese, your jalapeno bites.
Yeah.
Hey, they got Battleship and some other board games there.
They have board games? That's actually really cool.
Very fancy modern furniture. You can see the bar in the back where they were serving up Mai Tais and
you see a
Moscow
bunch
mules.
of TVs over there.
Let's take a trip around the building real quick. As it often happens, some suspicious cars have pulled up while we've been filming. We're kind of used to that at this point.
Especially at the Pizza Hut video, there's this one suspicious guy, and
check it out real quick. There's I don't know if that's a crane, some type of a large bird out on an island. You see him out there?
Yeah, I see him.
It's not a goose. I don't think it's a duck. Anyhow, yeah. He's watching out over the big lake.
You can see how fancy it is. There's like boards over here.
Yeah, so there's a lot of signs posted. Public notice. It's under suspension. Wow, so it doesn't look like things ended here very, very well. Reason why they were closed. It says failure to maintain fire sprinkler systems.
So was
notes,
there like
building in violation. Work approval. I don't know. My understanding, AK, we're looking in here, you can see very clearly the computer's still on. This is somebody's desk.
Oh yeah, you see that there's a TV on and a computer.
So wow, oh yeah. You can see a lot here.
Oh yeah, there's so much screens on. If you look around over here, there's like old error screens.
Oh, I feel the rain coming.
Well,
so
we're gonna continue.
Yeah, we're gonna just speed it up a little bit.
Left anyway.
Well, so when the pandemic first hit, a lot of things were closed down unless they were considered essential, like restaurants and grocery stores.
It was very disappointing.
And one of the things that closed down during the beginning of the pandemic was movie theaters, and I think that really hurt this place because after everything shut down, they never reopened. AMC, Showcase Cinemas, Regal, Cinemark, all these chains.
That's remind me. Remember Steak and Shake? They always have this thing that like they'd be hiring, and they say that there's like a franchise. Like they'd be telling a bunch of lies.
Right. There's a poster all crumpled up for our Quiet Place 2. We got Mulan back here. We've got Onward. So,
Onward is...
And this, everything's overgrown. Man, the rain's really coming down now. AK, let's, we are getting soaked.
We should have little more earlier, but
So we're speed walking through. So this area that we're in, AK, this is Blue Ash, and there's a lot of office buildings, many of them empty and abandoned and vacant,
yeah,
all over this town.
it's literally like a abandoned town.
That's something that we should probably explore on a future date. We really wanted to extend this video and try to make it a little bit longer given the size of this place, but
Yeah.
unfortunately with the rain we are kind of speeding it up. AK, I don't know, you know, right over here too we see a bunch of vehicles.
Yeah.
Who are these people? Are they inside this building?
And that one car has a big gun, I think.
Are they watching us film them? Or do they work at this plaza? Why would you park behind the building? Very
Yeah.
suspicious.
That is very weird because, I mean, who would do that?
So
Well-
Envision Cinemas, they could not envision that they would be going out of business. But it has happened.
Wonder what the number pads this thing is.
Over here in the coming soon section, we can see remnants of a future that never came to be.
Wait,
As
why
Wonder
do they
Woman
have
84.
Wait, they have Minions Rise to Group, but I thought this closed 2 years ago.
Well, this is just a coming soon poster. Sometimes they put, you know, posters out for movies that aren't coming for another 6 months to a year.
Oh.
So they're not movies that were playing at the time they closed. It's showing off what is coming in down the road. So we're getting nice and wet here. The phone is soaked. The camera is soaked.
Yeah. It is about time, but
AK, even as the school year beckons, we do have plans to continue abandoned videos into the
yeah.
future. We're going to create a list, a spreadsheet, a document, and we're going to hit them up.
Yeah, we're gonna go because the last.
What is this? Supreme Burger, the Crustodian Pizza pickup, and it's pointing over here. Are they still? Wow. Man, this is so bizarre.
Yeah.
Such a kind of stop work order. Envision Cinemas. Failure to maintain the fire alarm and sprinkler system. Systems must be tested. No one shall work or occupy this building without approval of the Blue Ash Fire Department. Violation may be a citation, $1,000 penalty.
$1,000.
Yeah, so they're not taking it lightly, man. They don't want anybody in here.
Yeah.
Well,
Because the fire alarms don't work or something.
yeah, anytime there's a public building, they have to be up to code for safety purposes. But
Yeah.
they have a lot bigger problems than that here.
Yeah.
They didn't pay the rent. Well, AK, the rain's pouring down.
Well,
Any final thoughts about Envision or about cinemas or about abandoned videos? Let's hear them now.
I don't have much, but it was so weird seeing those screens on. Like, every time I stumble upon a theater that's abandoned, I always wonder what the theater rooms look like.
Yeah, the actual auditoriums where you watch the
who
movies.
knows if there's a screen on in there? Who knows what's happening?
And what condition they're in.
Yeah, like mold. Who knows?
Yeah, I would love to see what the actual auditoriums look like. I wish we could get in because, I mean, this is a very new theater that was built in the last
Also,
couple
since
years.
it's so big, like no one can really see you.
This is like a little front room, lobby type deal. All right, AK, we have came, we've saw, and we've conquered. Tonight, it's not the rise of Gru, it's the downfall of Envision Cinemas.
Yeah, downfall of Envision Cinemas. Well, we're out here like Richard Gear. Peace.
See you later.
Later.